Here's how to draw the orange rainbow friend. Start out with the oval shape, kind of slanted like this. And up at the top, we're going to draw a circle for the eye. And the pupil is like this little vertical line that wraps around the eye. And then we'll give them an eyelid. And then behind this oval shape, we're going to draw another circle. And draw a pupil facing out like this. And then draw a little eyelid that wraps around the circle. And now we'll come up over here. We're going to draw the nose that bulges out like this. Just a little looping shape like that. And we're going to draw the top of the mouth that comes up and all the way back right underneath the eyelid here. And then it's gonna come down and come back into the bottom of the nose like that. And now there's all those teeth to deal with. So we'll start out drawing two front teeth up here, and then just go around, and you'll have to, these are just the rough drawings, so you'll have to keep in mind the whatever's behind the teeth. And then we're going to draw the bottom row of teeth, and the bottom row can go behind the front teeth like this. So just draw diagonal like that, going behind the teeth. And then we'll draw the very bottom part of the chin that loops around, and it'll come up here and tuck into the eye. And the head is kind of bigger at the top and then narrows down as it goes into the nose, kind of like a crocodile face. And so the body is just this loop shape like this, like a hook. So we'll come on the left side of this and draw in a little curve here. It's going to curve in a little bit and then come out like where the belly would be, and then curve up, and then it gets a little bit round up here and then curves down and curves up into the head. Now the arms are about right here, so we'll just draw a line coming across here, and then another line coming across, and the elbow is right here, and the arm is really short where the wrist is, and it just hooks into the hand, and he has these little hook fingers, this, and draw the middle finger coming out like this, and then the out finger coming out like this. And come over to this side and just imagine the elbow curving here, and we'll draw the finger curving in and draw a curve there and draw a hook here. So his fingers are just hooks hanging on his wrists pretty much. And then the legs, he kind of has little duck legs. So we'll draw the leg coming out here, like a little tube, and then come down and give him a little duck foot. So I'm just going to draw this shape first, and then add in the fingers, or the toes, like this. And come over here, draw two lines. I just draw a circle here for where the knee will be, and then lines come down at an angle like that, and then draw this shape here, and then we're gonna draw in a toe here, until there, until here. Now all you have to do is any little corrections to the design and do your clean line work and color it. Thanks a lot for watching. Be sure to watch the other Rainbow Friend drawing tutorials on the channel, and thank you for liking and subscribing.